Hey, good morning guys, it's McGuire. I'm here in Ozone Falls State Park. This place is one of my favorite hikes in all of Tennessee. It's about a 2-hour drive east of Nashville here in between Crossville and Rockwood. The waterfall is about a 110-foot drop and with an extremely short hike, about 0.3 miles down to the pool area. Very beautiful swimming area and an amazing view of the falls. The history of this waterfall is pretty cool. It's once again Native Americans hanging out here. I've seen a couple videos of a kayaker going over the edge, so it's used for like just nature lovers, extreme people. It was even featured in a Disney movie. It was in Disney's 1994 rendition of The Jungle Book. But super excited to show you this falls. If you're interested, I'll drop the address in the link below. Let's go get on the hike and I'll show you a couple spots from the top, and then we can go check out the bottom. I can show you the way down in a minute. It's kind of,
no, don't jump, right?
No, yeah, I'll jump. No, it's actually,
right up there, right?
You stick to the left actually, so just kind of follow that path and then you kind of hug the road and then you'll go down.
Okay,
Cool. Thank you
Yes,
very
ma'am. All right, we made it to the top of the waterfall. It's super dry right now, and I was really expecting a little bit more. I was hoping that the pool would be filled up at the bottom, but it's really dry. Not a lot of water going over the edge of this waterfall right now, but just how easily it is to get from your car to this waterfall is amazing. There's about 200 feet of walking, if that, and you're right at the top of the falls. And then where we're about to go do is get to the bottom, and I'll show you the path to get there. It's super easy, about 0.3 miles of a hike. Just, you're gonna have to do some boulder scrambling, but not too difficult. Come check out this view. Normally this water is way higher, so you can kind of see the emptiness of it and how dry it is here right now, but normally the water is all the way up to that line. Alright, starting our little hike here. I love being out in nature. You never know who you're gonna run into. I just had an amazing conversation with a Navy vet. We're talking about life. I love these little opportunities. The people you'll meet out in nature are some of the coolest people, potentially lifelong friends you'll meet. That's just another added benefit being out here in the woods. But once again, this hike is extremely short, and we're just gonna keep moving. We made it to the bottom of the falls. Look how beautiful this cove is. All right, that's it for the video. Really appreciate you guys coming along for the journey and checking out one of my favorite hidden waterfalls of Tennessee, Ozone Waterfalls. I'd highly recommend coming out here in the springtime. That's when we have our most rainfall, and you get to experience this place in its full glory. That way the waterfall is really rushing and that pool is not so shallow. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll check you in the next video.